how to settle the supplier. Click on contacts, open supplier, and in supplier there are two methods in order to settle the supplier. The first option is click on actions and simply click on pay here. Provide the amount and also the payment method and the payment account and simply click on save here, or you can simply select on actions and go to purchases, and in purchases you can select whichever the invoice or the purchase is to be paid and click on actions and select add payment. You can select the amount and the payment method and the payment account here and simply click on save, and the payment will be completed.